MP7 gaming. Tristan, buy a kit.
I have an idea. We buy decoys. We put them like at paper.
Got him.
Then we just silently go long.
Daniel!
Jesus Christ, Daniel! You are the dumbest. Oh my god.
Damn, is that all your health gone?
You know what? I think I'm just gonna gamble in real life.
Don't say that in a public call.
Say what?
Say what?
He said
Oh no,
the thing that.
Okay, but like,
that
who's
is-
gonna go to Eric's house? For what purpose?
They don't even know his address.
Yeah.
I
And
will.
who's here
Yeah,
that wants
yeah.
to kill Eric?
Address. Don't call 911 to that address.
That's all mine,
Please
bro.
don't order a pizza to that address.
Oh no. No, just put it. Just put it to your.
Just keep watching.
Just put it to your. I know you stay at a hotel. Like, put it to your hotel.
Why the fuck would I live in a hotel?
You sound like you're broke.
No.
Can you please be? Oh, whoa, I'm lagging. What the Protect Tristan. Protect Tristan.
He's there.
Go in front. Go in front.
Okay, that's lucky.
No, that was totally on purpose.
Ooh.
Tristan, I'm gonna take you.
Damn.
Headshot percentage 62.
Mister, I don't think you got a name.
I have $0 and I shoot the hostage. What happens? Okay, see. Wait, yeah, there's another dude. Reload. Wait, I've got 2 bullets left. That was enough.
That's my
No,
team.
2 bullets was enough.
There's no one
I didn't need to reload. Go. Alright. Around.
Okay.
I just watched him just explode. Oh my god.
I got you, Eric. I mean, that's good, Daniel. Eric. Are you okay? Go.
I mean, if you're there, he has to be here.
Oh, okay, wait. No, you could wallbang that. That's actually crazy.
One. I'm trying to do something.
The fuck is this? Fuck.
Guys, they're gonna push past you. You need to look, yeah.
Nice. You can brush my hair and touch me in
Okay,
Tiago. It's not
Tiago.
holding.
I told you they
Fucking
pushed past me.
paper.
I fucking told you.
Tiago killed his teammate.
I calmed that I lost it.
Press accept.
Press accept.
I thought of my computer. I'm sorry.
Down, Eric.
Whoa,
We're still
whoa.
in queue anyway.
I'm looking at.
Dude,
I'm looking at his thing.
They're all in hell. There's like
He's
3 in hell.
labeled as a troller, a member, annoying, a plagiarist, and a homosexual.
We're still in queue.
We're still in queue.
Tristan, are you hacking?
Pretty casual shit.
No.
Holy shit, we're still in queue.
Yeah, it's been 8 minutes.
Yeah, it's
Just
pretty.
a minute, wow.
Yeah,
It's pretty. Yeah, it's pretty.
Tristan, we have the proof, Tristan.
yeah. I
Really? What?
toggled.
What cheat though?
I toggled.
He's being sarcastic. Just
Yes, pretty casual shit.
We all know, Tristan.
I just like,
Yeah,
I just
toggled.
like fuck bitches all day. Yeah.
Yeah, jump on you after like something big happens in their life, are just so fake, bro.
I don't get it. What's like
Nah,
the
nah,
financial? What's the financial benefit of having Caitlyn as a girlfriend? I don't understand.
There's no financial benefit, bro.
you talking
I mean, if
about
we're thinking about financial benefits, why don't we go back to arranged marriage like they had in the old Indian times? Come on.
That's not financial.
True.
Somehow.
Holy shit, the wait times are pretty bad.
You see, there's like a big arrow that says to go. I don't know how that works.
Yeah, hold on, Sean. I'm joining
You
you.
mean the dab? That's just a dab.
Press accept.
Like, I don't even
Yeah, bro,
I don't
nah,
even
nah,
like
get it,
scene
bro.
like that, bro. Like who do you think I am, bro? Like, making my ass see. Like, who does the fucking teacher think I am? Told me to like read the fucking board. Like, bitch, don't you know that take energy? The energy ain't free. The energy gotta come from somewhere. And then she said like, oh yeah, it come from the food you eat. I'm like, bitch, I don't got no food. What the fuck?
What about long? Wait, where was that?
Sean said the auto. What the fuck?
Okay, what the fuck? Okay, he's holding. Wait. How is he holding me and not Bath right now? I don't understand that.
Sean, you gotta clutch the whole game. Please.
What the fuck is going on?
Eric's gonna smoke full blinded with the shotgun.
This is the ideal position when you think about it. Frag. You already know how I beat.
If it weren't for Dev using a sniper, I would be bottom fragging.
Nah, be like, you know, I just don't like to be thinking all that much no more.
Yo, but like, I agree, bro.
Nah, but like, you know how that shit like consume energy and shit. Like, my teacher told me that.
Sean, are you back?
I agree, bro.
Like, I don't even. Oh, I got fully flashed somehow.
Love you, Ace! Love you, Ace!
What are you talking about?
Okay.
God damn. Oh, there's an op here. Anyone want an op?
I can't get
Why
it.
you mad?
Not over.
No Guardian, no Uzi. It's like, shit, bro.
okay.
Like, I'm just the master decoy.
If we kick Eric out of our team, I will get out of Golden Nova too.
Get free money.
No way! Oh
yeah. Wait, I need to get on the aimbots. Sean, can you send me the aimbots map?
Oh yeah, me too.
Yeah, give me
I'm not gonna use it.
Yeah. Load
Is this an area to practice in?
Search it up. It should be like the first thing.
Daniel, again?
What?
That's a dumbass man.
What? I stopped clicking! There's no way!
Fine, whatever. Good day, bro. Oh, damn. Operator. Forgot about that. Operator. Oh, we're not sitting in this. Well, they actually just missed their first piece of util.
Vaccine, mushroom, and you're so
Scout.
Alright, campers.
You're
And you will be rescuing hostages
saying-
from
You just
the
died?
this building.
He's dead, Tristan.
He's dead?
Yeah.
What do you have? M4?
This is an M4. No, an AK is better.
Are you sure?
Yeah. AK is instant, it's headshot.
Yeah, but the M4 is better with recoil.
Oh,
It was. They said it earlier. Yeah.
You know I'm on 30 HP. Why is he spraying?
Yeah, Sean.
Miss.
I will win this. Wait, how did two of them die already?
oh.
So basically, I was on my phone too long.
Yeah, well, you're opening cases for like 20 whole
There's one
seconds.
long. There's a retard long. Probably has the auto.
No.
He dead? Why does he have to be
Should have waited forever.
Did you die?
I
Did you die? I need a gun. Who died? Sean,
Oh,
raise
there's
your
two
gun.
there.
Yeah, there's two there. That's bad.
Now, why are you just staring at him, bro? What are you doing?
Booty. I spy with my little eye. Booty. Hold on. What? Okay. Spank the booty.